Okay, here we have 2023-2024 Ram Laramie Sport fitted in black sheepskin acrylic combination with full sheepskin base skirts, but also this particular one I fitted here today has optioned open back of the backrest for mat pocket access, but we'll get to that in a second. So separate headrests, of course. Seats are profiled to the shape of the seat to enhance the look as well as the fit. On the door sides of both bases, being a Laramie Sport, has the electric controls, still functional with our seat covers fitted. Also there's airbag provision on the door sides of the backrest, and as mentioned at the start of the video, customer has optioned open back of the backrest for mat pocket access. So this option is available on sheepskin acrylic combination, sheepskin acrylic with full sheepskin base skirts, or full sheepskin base skirts as well as sides of the backrest. But all of these can be seen listed on our website.